Hi. Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Sierra and I'm back with another video. Don't mind me, I was just practicing for the summer. But if you want an exclusive deal on these glasses, then you'll keep watching this video. What's up YouTube, it's Sierra and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing something that you guys been probably waiting for the longest. I'm going to be doing my wash day routine. So as you can see, I got the hair out, but you can also see I got the shades on. So let me tell you about these sunglasses. They are like amazing and I cannot wait till summer 2021 to throw them on. And I also cannot wait to go on GreekGlasses.com and go cop me another pair of glasses, y'all. Like, they have all different styles, different shapes, different colors. Like, yes, I am about to be rocking these all summer. And with my code, you can get them for 40% off. And that is Sierra 40 with Greek glasses. So go on there, cop you a pair, get ready for the summer because it's coming, okay? Now I know it's just January, but you gotta have them ready. I mean, as soon as that sun come out and them shorts get on, what? Yes, but let me take these off. Oh, anyways, how y'all doing today? Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for clicking. I just wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers, my supporters. Anyways, so back to the topic at hand. As you can tell by the title, we are doing a hair wash day, hair wash routine for my natural hair ladies. And having natural hair, this is the most important part of having natural hair. So I decided, why not show you my natural hair wash day. Before we get into the video, before I show you all of my products, don't forget to subscribe, turn that notification bell on, and go follow me at all my social media. Okay, so now that we subscribed, we hit that like button, you know, we went and followed me at all my social media, which is listed in the description below. Okay, now we can get into the products. So, have I ever told y'all how much I love Cream of Nature? I think I have. So you guys know I love Cream of Nature. So I have the Cream of Nature shampoo. It is mango and shea butter. And the first time I used this, I fell in love. Like, it was great. So I keep Cream of Nature shampoo products. So, and it smells great as well. I also use the Cream of Nature coconut milk conditioner. I love this as well. Coconut milk is really good. It smells great, works great, leaves my hair feeling silky, soft, and everything else. So I never had any problems. I actually was running out, and so there's a little bit in there. I'll probably use that for Jabea's hair, but you know, because it's probably not enough for mine because I really like to put a lot on there. But so when I went to the store to get more of that conditioner, they didn't have any. So, you know, everybody got their stimulus money and they shopping, they stocking up. Same thing I'm trying to do. So I had got this Cream of Nature Argan Oil intensive conditioning treatment. I'm excited about trying this conditioner through Cream of Nature because I never tried this conditioner before. I've only stuck to what I know. So we're gonna try it and see the difference. I'm also going to be brushing my hair out with this brush here. If you ever seen this brush before, you need to get it. Like, you probably seen it on social media, on the ads and stuff. I mean, it is like the best detangling brush for natural hair that I have ever used. You guys comment down below if you guys have one of these brushes or if you have something like it, because I know that they have the same type of thing, but probably with like a different brand. So you guys let me know. Let's get started. I'm gonna take you guys down in the kitchen with me. That's where I'm gonna wash my hair out at, and yeah, we'll go from there. See you guys. So that was my wash routine. Now, part of my wash routine is when I'm done with everything, I will do a twist out in my hair, because if I don't do anything with it, it's just going to be matted to my head and it's just going to be a bigger mess. Time to do the whole process over again. I probably wouldn't wash it again. Probably just put conditioner in it, brush it out, and then, you know, then I'll have to do it over. So I'm just gonna do these twists real quick. Okay, so I also wanted to show you the products that I'll be doing after the whole washing process, washing and conditioning process. So I told you guys last time when I did my natural hairstyle video about this poppin' pineapple from Curls. It is so good. I love it. So I'm just gonna put that in really quickly, and then to do my twist out twists, I'm gonna be using my favorite pattern. Whichever way it goes, you know, pattern. So I'm gonna be doing that really quickly. I'll probably do like some big twists because, you know, I have stuff to do. I can't just, it's getting late. I gotta make them something to eat. I gotta go be a mom. So one day you guys see me be a mom. So, but other than that, I'm just gonna get this started real quickly.
Ralph Diller.
All right, guys, so it is twisted up, it is done. So thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn our notification bell on, and go follow me at my social media.